How to apply a coupon code Swiggy. If you want to apply a coupon code in Swiggy, you could use this at a checkout procedure or during your checkout. What you need is open the Swiggy app onto your device, and after you're logged into your account, what you could do is here you could simply go ahead and select your preferred food items or grocery and tap on view cart as well, or you could just go ahead and tap the profile at the very top right. You have these gift card, or you could just go ahead and look for these options, my voucher as well. Over here you could just go ahead and start ordering, and you could just go ahead and add in your gift card or your coupon code, and that's how you will be able to apply coupon code in Swiggy, and you will be able to get certain amount of discount within that purchase. So this way you're supposed to apply a coupon code in Swiggy. You could type your unique code into the text box and just tap on apply, or alternatively you could also browse a list of available bank or restaurant specific offers, and you could tap on to apply next to one that you want to use it for. So that's how you will be able to redeem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.